Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mike Marie, and today we have another cooking video. Today is pretty simple. I'm doing honey spicy chicken with rice and broccoli. I didn't feel like cooking, so this is the simplest thing I could do. So right now I'm just about to season the chicken with garlic pepper. Y'all, garlic pepper is a game changer. I just discovered garlic pepper not too long ago. Game changer, real talk. So now I'm just gonna add onion powder. You can't go wrong with onion powder at all, y'all. Give it that little you know what I'm saying? So now we're just gonna add Tony. If you don't have Tony, you need to call Tony. Tell Tony you need Tony, because Tony is a must. Understand? So you're just gonna put that all over your chicken. Yes, you need that. So now we have cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is the spice, actually. So we're just gonna put that all over your chicken. You can add as much as you like, but that's just what I added. Also added black pepper again. I don't know why, but I just did. You don't have to, but you know, it is what it is. And paprika. Paprika is a color, not a flavor. Understand that, okay? So I just mix that all together. Get that seasoning, mix it in real good. Make sure it's well seasoned, y'all. Look at that chicken. So seasoned. Look at that, all in slow-mo. All right, so y'all, I just put some oil in the pan. I did not measure it. I usually do it till like it just fills the pan, sorta, kind of, skillet per se. And that's a half an onion, by the way. So I just cook it until it look like this, which is like brown and, you know, very sauteed and soft. So that's really your goal. You want to get it soft and brown looking like that. So now I just put my chicken in the pan. And look how well seasoned it look, y'all. It looks so good. And that's me cooking my rice, getting it nice and hot. Yeah. So I didn't show when I put the honey on camera, but I decided to mix the honey in with the oil and the onion. You can do that, or you could put the honey on top of the chicken. It's whatever your decision. But that's just what I did. It doesn't change anything. It didn't change anything for me. It still came out the same. So you can do whatever you please. So y'all, look how good the chicken look. Y'all, it smells so good. Y'all, look at it, just cooking it up. Look, all that flavor. Y'all, it smells so good. Look at that chicken. Yummy. So now I'm just cooking my rice. If you do not know how to cook rice, I am here to help you. So rice cooks at least 20 minutes. Give it at least 20 minutes. Okay, and I'm gonna show y'all. So I flipped it like after 5 to 7 minutes. You could do longer, but anything between 5 to 7 is fine. So when your rice start looking like this, it's usually because it's about to be done or it's done. Always check your rice to see if it's done. But if it start looking like this, then it's almost that time, or it is that time. Okay? So that's about 20 minutes in. So if you want to see if it's done, see what I did? I got a fork and I taste it. If it's soft, it's done. If it's not soft, let it cook. Okay? So here's my broccoli. I didn't measure how much water I put in there. I just put a little water in there. I didn't measure how much broccoli I put in there neither. This is not a full stick of margarine. It's actually like 2 tablespoons off, I think. If I'm not mistaken. I don't know, y'all. I just got it out of the freezer. So then I just added my my salt and my pepper. And this is how it looked after like probably like 7 to 8 minutes. I repeat, I do not like soft broccoli, okay? I like mine with a little crunch, okay? Crunchy, crunch. We ain't doing the soft. So now I'm just going to show y'all how it looks like. And this is it, y'all. I got to get better with my plating, but this is it, y'all. So tell me what y'all think. Show love in the comments, like, subscribe. And I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Okay, bye.